Is the future of AI a promise of progress or a Pandora's box of unforeseen consequences? This question has become central to our understanding of artificial intelligence, or AI. As we delve into the dawn of AI, it's important to recognize that this isn't a new concept. In fact, it's been evolving for decades, with each iteration bringing us closer to what we now know as modern AI. Artificial intelligence, at its core, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Over the years, AI has grown from a theoretical concept into a practical tool, transforming industries and reshaping our daily lives. Google, a name synonymous with innovation, has been at the forefront of this AI revolution. Their early explorations into AI began with simple algorithms designed to improve search results. But as Google's understanding of AI deepened, so did their ambitions. They ventured into more complex projects such as Google Brain, a deep learning artificial intelligence research project, and DeepMind, an AI system that taught itself to win at a variety of Atari games without any prior knowledge. Through these projects, Google has not only contributed to the development of AI, but also showcased its potential to the world. But now, we are at the cusp of a new era, with Google's latest AI creation, Gemini. Gemini is not just another AI project, it's an embodiment of the progress AI has made and a glimpse into the future. It's a testament to Google's unwavering belief in the power of AI and their commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So is the future of AI a promise of progress or a Pandora's box of unforeseen consequences? As we stand on the brink of a new era, Google has once again taken a giant leap forward with Gemini. But like any leap into the unknown, it comes with its own set of challenges and ethical considerations. And that's what makes this journey into the world of AI so exciting and unsettling at the same time. Google's journey with AI has been nothing short of extraordinary. The tale begins in the early 2000s with Google's initial exploration into the realm of artificial intelligence. It was a time when AI was nothing more than a concept, a dream that scientists and technologists around the world were just beginning to chase. But Google, always forward-thinking, saw the potential in this fledgling technology and leapt headfirst into the unknown. They started with rudimentary algorithms, the kind that could sort search results or recommend a video. It was groundbreaking at the time, but it was just the beginning. As the years rolled on, Google's AI became increasingly sophisticated. In 2009, they introduced Google Translate, a tool that used AI to break down language barriers and connect people around the world. Then in 2012, they brought us Google Now, an AI-powered personal assistant that could schedule appointments, send messages, and even predict your needs before you knew them yourself. In 2015, Google took a giant leap forward with the introduction of TensorFlow, an open-source AI software that allowed developers around the globe to harness the power of Google's AI. This was a game-changer, bringing AI out of the labs and into the hands of everyday people. But Google didn't stop there. They continued to push the boundaries, exploring the capabilities of machine learning and neural networks. They developed AI that could recognize images, understand speech, and even beat world champions at complex board games. Each new breakthrough brought them one step closer to their ultimate goal, creating an AI that could think and learn like a human. And now, after years of relentless innovation and countless milestones, Google has unveiled their most ambitious project yet, Gemini. An AI so advanced it blurs the line between machine and human intelligence. Gemini is not just another step forward. It's a quantum leap into a future we could only dream of a few short years ago. This journey has now led us to the revolutionary Gemini. This is the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence, and we're all invited to witness its unfolding. Gemini represents a new dawn in Google's AI journey. A profound statement, wouldn't you agree? But what does it really mean? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Gemini and its capabilities. Gemini, the latest creation in Google's AI portfolio, is a game changer, a leap forward that transcends the boundaries of conventional artificial intelligence. Unlike its predecessors, Gemini doesn't just learn and adapt, it evolves, much like a living, breathing organism. This AI system is capable of self-improvement, continually refining its algorithms without any human intervention. It's a glimpse into the future where machines not only mimic human intelligence but surpass it in unimaginable ways. With Gemini, Google has successfully turned science fiction into reality. This AI system can process and analyze data at a speed and accuracy that's light years ahead of traditional systems. It can decipher complex patterns, predict trends, and make decisions based on a vast array of data points. In essence, Gemini can understand and interact with the world in a way that was previously the exclusive domain of human intelligence. What sets Gemini apart from previous AI systems is its ability to draw from a multitude of data sources, analyze them in real time, and make accurate predictions. It's not just about processing power or speed, it's about the quality of insights and the depth of understanding that Gemini brings to the table. This is what makes it a game changer in the field of artificial intelligence. Gemini's potential is enormous, and it's already making waves in various sectors. Whether it's healthcare, where it can predict disease patterns, or finance, where it can forecast market trends, Gemini is set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world. However, it's important to remember that Gemini, like any powerful tool, must be used responsibly. The implications of a self-learning, self-evolving AI system are profound, and we must tread carefully. We're venturing into uncharted territory where the lines between human and machine intelligence are becoming increasingly blurred. Yet, with great power comes great responsibility. As we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, let's remember to wield the power of Gemini with care, ensuring it serves as a force for good, enhancing our lives and not as a source of unchecked power. Gemini's potential to transform our world is truly astounding. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of this AI, we find ourselves standing on the precipice of a new era, an era defined by the seamless integration of technology into our everyday lives, where the boundary between human and machine becomes blurred. Imagine waking up in the morning to a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, thanks to your AI assistant that has learned your daily routine down to the minute. You're driven to work by your autonomous car, which has been programmed to know your preferred route and can adapt in real time to changing traffic conditions. This is the everyday reality that Gemini promises. But the potential of Gemini isn't limited to simplifying our daily tasks. This AI has the ability to tackle complex problems that have long baffled us. Climate change, for instance, is an issue of global concern. With the data analysis and predictive capabilities of Gemini, we could develop more efficient renewable energy solutions, predict weather patterns with improved accuracy, and even devise strategies to reverse the effects of global warming. In the healthcare industry, Gemini could revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, it could predict health risks, suggest personalized treatment plans, and even assist in complex surgeries. The end goal? A world where preventable diseases are a thing of the past, and every individual has access to personalized healthcare. Now let's consider the world of finance. It's a complex industry fraught with unpredictability. But with Gemini's machine learning capabilities, it could analyze market trends, predict fluctuations, and provide insights that could help businesses and individuals make informed investment decisions. And let's not forget about education. Gemini could provide personalized learning experiences, adapting in real time to a learner's strengths and weaknesses. It could make education more accessible, breaking down geographical and financial barriers and paving the way for a more educated and informed society. But it's not just about what Gemini can do for us. It's about how it's going to change the way we live, the way we think, the way we interact with the world around us. It's about a future where technology is no longer just a tool, but an integral part of our existence. However, as with any revolutionary technology, Gemini's potential is not confined to its benefits. It's a double-edged sword. While it has the power to transform our lives for the better, it also has the potential to disrupt, to unsettle, and to challenge the very fabric of our society. In the wrong hands, Gemini's capabilities could be misused. Its predictive abilities could infringe on our privacy. Its decision-making abilities could be manipulated for malicious purposes, and its autonomous nature could potentially render certain jobs obsolete. But this potential is not without its risks. As we continue to harness the power of Gemini, we must also be vigilant about the ethical implications and potential pitfalls that come with it. We must strive for a balance, a harmony between human and machine, where technology serves us, not the other way around. The power of Gemini, while extraordinary, also comes with its own set of challenges. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of Gemini, we cannot ignore the potential risks and challenges tied to this advanced AI technology. The same power that enables Gemini to revolutionize numerous fields, from medicine to transportation, also opens the door to ethical quandaries, privacy issues, and potential misuse. Let's start with the ethical concerns. As Gemini learns and evolves, it will undoubtedly make decisions that will impact our lives in significant ways. But who's to say what's right or wrong for an AI to decide? For instance, if Gemini is tasked with allocating resources in a crisis, how will it prioritize needs? Will it value efficiency over equity or vice versa? These are not just technical questions, they are ethical dilemmas that require careful thought and consideration. Next, let's consider privacy. In the digital age, data is the new currency. Gemini's advanced machine learning algorithms require vast amounts of data to function effectively. This means that the more data we feed Gemini, the better it gets. But at what cost? Our personal data, from our shopping habits to our medical records, could be used to train Gemini, raising serious concerns about privacy and consent. Can we trust Gemini and, by extension, Google with such sensitive information? The third major challenge is the potential for misuse. Like any tool, Gemini can be used for both good and bad. It can help doctors diagnose diseases or help teachers personalize learning for their students. But in the wrong hands, Gemini could also be used to manipulate elections, spread misinformation, or even commit cybercrimes. Therefore, it's crucial to establish robust safeguards and regulations to prevent such misuse. Moreover, we need to consider the potential for job displacement. While Gemini could automate mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more complex and creative work, it could also render certain jobs obsolete. This potential for large-scale job displacement raises serious socioeconomic concerns that need to be addressed proactively. Finally, there's the existential risk. What happens if Gemini becomes too intelligent? Could it outsmart us, becoming a threat rather than a tool? While this might sound like science fiction, it's a legitimate concern that many AI researchers and ethicists are grappling with. In conclusion, while Gemini promises to usher in a new era of innovation and efficiency, it's not without its risks. These challenges remind us that as we push the boundaries of technology, we must also consider the ethical, social, and political implications of our actions. The future of AI is undoubtedly exciting, but it's a future that needs to be approached with caution and responsibility. As we embrace the future, we must also be mindful of these risks. Gemini is not just a new AI system, it's a vision of the future. And what a compelling vision it paints. Imagine a world where Gemini streamlines complex tasks, revolutionizes industries, and catalyzes leaps in scientific research. Imagine a world where this AI system becomes our companion, assisting us in ways we never thought possible. Gemini's potential is enormous. In healthcare, it could aid in precise diagnosis and personalized treatment, ushering in a new era of medical advancements. In education, it could offer tailored learning experiences, fostering a generation of innovative thinkers. In businesses, it could automate mundane tasks, freeing up human creativity and productivity. But let's not forget, with great power comes great responsibility. As we marvel at Gemini's capabilities, we must also consider the risks. If left unchecked, Gemini could be used for malicious purposes, from cyber attacks to misinformation campaigns. It could potentially disrupt job markets, rendering certain skills obsolete. There's also the risk of this AI system developing beyond our control, leading to what some call the singularity, a point where AI surpasses human intelligence. In this light, the role of regulation and ethical guidelines becomes paramount. We need robust laws to govern the use and development of Gemini, ensuring it aligns with our societal values and norms. Ethical guidelines must be established to guide decisions related to Gemini's deployment in different sectors. This isn't just about preventing misuse, it's about ensuring that the benefits of Gemini are accessible to all, not just a privileged few. The future of AI with Gemini also calls for a rethinking of our education system. As Gemini takes over routine tasks, we need to focus on equipping future generations with skills that set them apart: critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence. We need to prepare them for a world where they'll be working alongside AI, not against it. In addition, we must also foster a culture of transparency and accountability around Gemini. This involves making the workings of this AI system understandable to the public and holding developers accountable for its outcomes. After all, trust in Gemini will be crucial for its widespread acceptance and use. And lastly, we need to encourage public discourse around Gemini. This is a technology that will shape our future, and everyone should have a say in how that future looks. We need to listen to diverse voices, from tech enthusiasts to ethicists, from policymakers to the public, to ensure a balanced perspective. In conclusion, the future of AI with Gemini is a tapestry of incredible potential and daunting challenges. It's a future that promises to transform our lives, but also demands our vigilance. As we step into this future, we must ensure that the power of Gemini is harnessed for the greater good. As we navigate this uncharted territory, let's remember, the goal isn't just to build intelligent machines, but to use them to build a smarter, kinder, more equitable world.